Good morning students, I am Vetri Chelvi from Vetri and Vetri NEET Chemistry. Today I am going to give the video topic of thermodynamics. Yes, now let us see the question. The enthalpy change for the following process are listed below. The first equation, chlorine gaseous into gas, that is called atoms, and then iodine gaseous state to iodine gaseous atoms. ICl gives I and iodine atom and chlorine atom, and iodine with the solid state to gaseous state with the value. Given that the standard states of iodine and chlorine are, iodine is, you have to take it in the form of solid, chlorine should be in the form of gas. So the question is the standard enthalpy of formation of ICl gas is the question. Okay, this question it came for, this is year of 2015. Okay children, now let us go to the, again it is asked in 2018 also. Now let us coming to the question here. Now what is they are asking is iodine plus chlorine. Now let us see what we want. Let me write that thing is, let me write here, iodine in the form of solid state plus chlorine in the form of gaseous state gives ICl in the form of this is. So now let us take it, they are asking this is, what they are asking is enthalpy of formation of ICl. Okay, for balancing I am writing here it is the 2, but if it is per mole mean, then only we can call it as a enthalpy of formation. This is according to the definition. Now what else is given we will write, of course, first case from here, that is solid, iodine solid to next it should be converted into a iodine gaseous state. Okay, for the values here from the data I am taking 62.76 kilojoule per mole is given for everything. So for only one data I am writing, it is understood all the having same unit. Okay, now iodine gas next formation is iodine gas should be considered as a converted as a the 2 iodine atom. For that value is given as a 151 kilojoule per mole. Next one is your from conversion here. Chlorine gas to, this is converted into a 2Cl in the form of gas. Okay, for this the enthalpy changes 242.3 kilojoule per mole. Okay, next it is given the data in the sum is, you can see this data, ICl dissociated give iodine and Cl. This is the reverse equation is given. So that only the data has specifically I underlined, of course, because it is, now let us go and see here. What we want is iodine plus chlorine gives ICl. This is we want to write the data. How it is given is, it is given in the form of reverse. Because it is reverse, that is plus mean I have to take it as a minus 211.3 kilojoule per mole. So why I am taking in the minus? Because we want formation. It is given dissociation. So I have taken it in the form of reverse. The next one is, here it is given in the question, it is given for stoichiometry 1. Whereas it is here we are taken for the 2. So that it is multiplied by 2 also. This is totally because of the stoichiometry. So finally they are asking this is. Okay, now before going to say, now what is the knowledge is, the law playing here is called it as a Hess's law of heat summation. What is Hess's law? Simply understanding I am giving. This is, let us take it as the initial stage and this is the final stage. One reaction is taking let us take it this value or the record data is 1. Same changes taking in terms of 2 steps. This is first step and this is second step. So what I want to say is value of 1 is equal to addition of 2 plus 6. So the sum of the small step equal to the over of a single step when the reactants and products are in the same changes. This is called it as a Hess's law of heat summation. That is application. The data is given in the format is taken for the completion. Now let us, for the simplification, I am giving for each one as a number. Like this, I will give us a number, easy to do. 1, this value is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is the 5. Now this is the overall change of single step. Okay, this is I am matching. So sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 5. So based on that one, let me write what is it is. That is 5 is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So this is the knowledge. So what they are asking, this is. Now let us go and do with the delta. Simple. 1. Now I am going to add the number 1. This is 62.76. Number 2. 151. You write vertically, easy for us. Number 3. 242.3. So with that I am stopping because all the plus values, next value is minus. So let me complete plus first here. Here 6, then 5 and 2, 3, 4. 1 minute I will check it, children. Yes, 6. Okay. Yes. Now this is plus value. Now let us continue here. What is it? Plus 456.06. This one addition, but value is minus. Minus of 422.6. Okay. Different in number. So go for subtraction. Yes. 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 Here value is plus. Okay, 1 minute I will check it. Okay, 6, 10, then 5, 6, 5. Yes, it's correct. Okay, now the thing is 33.46. What we got it here, you can see here, we got everything for 2 moles. What is the definition is enthalpy of formation should be, we have to calculate for per 1 mole. This is very important knowledge. So now this is for 2 mole. So divide by 2, what we are getting is 1. Then you are having the 6, then 7, 3. Okay, now what is 16.73? We can go and see the answers. Among the 16.7, the nearest answer is this is. So your exact answer is 16.8. That is answer is A. So now very simple addition, children. What is the thing is the concept you have to understood, and then the data given you fix it in the formation frame and you can proceed. This is called it as a Born-Haber cycle for sodium chloride. It was given in the thermodynamics based on the processes given. Practice well, children. We can expect for this year also. Okay, let us go to the next question. Okay. This question is AB plus A2 and B2 are diatomic molecules. If bond enthalpies of A2, AB, B2 are in the ratio of 1:1:0.5 and enthalpy of formation of AB from A2 and B2 is minus 100 kJ per mole, what is the bond energy of A2? Now let us write the first. What are the things is given is bond energy ratio is given. Let me write the ratio. Whenever you are writing the ratio, you have to take it very carefully. So this is only the ratio order is given or in the ratio. So follow this one. And here it is 1:1:0.5. So this is the ratios of bond energies. Very important point, bond energy or in the ratio bond energies. Okay, then formation of AB from. Next our question is A2 plus what is given B2 gives AB. Stoichiometry term, they are asking this. We can call it as a enthalpy of formation is the question. Standard enthalpy of formation. What is given? It is for 2 mole. What is the rule? You have to calculate for per mole. So I want to get this is as a 1 min. What I have to do is here of A2 plus of B2. So now this is ready. Okay, this is the thing what we want. Okay, now let us fix it. Take it here. Next one is in the case of your bond energy, the formula is enthalpy of formation of standard enthalpy of formation is equal to summation of bond energy of reactants. This is very important point. Minus of bond energy of products. Usually all the reaction, if they are going for enthalpy of reaction, I am giving one difference. Okay, enthalpy of reaction asking mean products minus reactant. Other than that, they are asking formation, or I can say straight away, if it is bond energy mean, this is the formula. What is the formula is reactant minus product. Bond energy mean fix it. This is only the tricky for us. So frequently in the competitive exam, they are giving the question based on bond energy only, where you have to follow reactant minus product. This is the place student will do the mistake. Now let us go to the work. What is the work is given? AB from A2 and B2 is 100 kilojoule per mole. If enthalpy of formation of AB is minus 100. So this value, this is given as a minus 100 kilojoule per mole. Very carefully you take, because it is given enthalpy of formation. We understood this is for 1 mole. That means for this is it is given this equation. Now let us write the bond energies of reactant. What are the reactants is here of A2? Let me write bond energy of A2 plus bond energy of B2 minus of bond energy of AB. So this is the we have to follow. Now it is given not an exact value as a fraction. Since it is given as a fraction, A2 let us consider Aims as a x mean. Based on the fraction you can write. So now I am writing here of into x, that is the x is simply bond energy. In the case of A2 it is taken as a 1. So in here in the equation it is of A2, so of bond energy x. Then in the case of B2, so in the case of B2 what is the ratio is of, it is given as a 0.5 of your x. That is A is x mean B is of x, that's all. Okay, now minus of. What is given as a AB is given as a 1. So here let us go to the formula. AB is 1. So I am writing as a 1x. Okay, now you have to simplify. What is this one? Both on addition, LCM find out. Then x plus what you are having? 0.5x minus of x. Now here it is what is called 1.5x divided by 2 minus of x. Now this we can go as a subtraction, do the 2, and here what you are getting is okay 2 1.5x minus of 2x. Okay, it is equal to 2. Then here it is minus 0.5x. This is equal to minus 100. We want only the x. So this minus is minus getting cancelled both sides. So bring the 2 here. That is here 2 here. That is 100 into 2 divided by 0.5 is equal to x. 100 into 2 you are having 200 divided by 5 into 10. That is decimal I am bringing here. So now it is multiply and divide. So this is getting cancelled. 540 and it's become here that means 10 to the power. So your answer is 400. Let us go and see the answer. Your option D is the 400. Okay children, so here the very important knowledge is ratio. While you are taking, keep it the order. And here the enthalpy of formation is given. It is understood per mole. So you are converting SF to the per mole. After based on the bond energy, keep it in the mind. And so you have to take the reactant minus product. And since it is given as a ratio, A I am taking as a x mean, B is the of x, AB is the 1x. Substitute and on simplification, you are getting the answer. Very important, some children practice well. So if you are the viewers or new to my channel, I request the viewers to subscribe Vetri and Vetri Neat Chemistry to get the very valuable videos and questions. Thank you children.